Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 998. We're opening 2 boxes of Upper Deck Artifact 14-15 hockey. Our last winning bid is for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended July 20th at 7:58 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 11 a.m. Tuesday, July 21st. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 315, 282. Second box number is 221, 309, 273. We got 4 cards per pack, 10 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, 14-15 Artifact Hockey. We've got an empty box, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. First pack over 2 box break. Rookie Mark Vicentin for Coyotes out of 999. Adjustment here. We got a rookie redemption for Panthers, card number 163. Ryan Getzlaf, game used jersey card out of 125 for Ducks. Signature Josh Harding for Wild, signature card, Autofax, Minnesota. Tony Esposito for Blackhawks out of 499. Rookie Teuvo Teravainen for Blackhawks out of 499. Got a triple jersey card, Tundra Trio, Cody Hodgson, Drew Stafford, and Tyler Myers. That's Sabres. Treasured swatches, Slava Voinov for Kings, gave you his jersey card. Dustin Brown for Kings out of 85. And last pack of our first box. Josh Georges for Canadians out of 599. Okay. A little clean up here. Make it clean. And let's see. Second box. I'd like to mention that we got 7 box breaks ending tonight. We got a 13-14 Artifact 2 box break, and also a 14-15 Artifact identical to this one. Empty box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 packs. Plus 5 other box breaks tonight. Okay, first pack, second box. Rookie Teuvo Teravainen for Blackhawks out of 999 this one. Dual jersey card, Cam Fowler and Nick Bonino for Ducks, Tundra Tandems. Frozen Artifact, Victor Hedman, Tampa Bay, KMU's jersey card. Mike Green, Caps out of 85. Semyon Varlamov, Colorado out of 499. Rookie, Brandon Gormley for Coyotes out of 999. Rookie Redemption for Coyotes, card number 152. Oh, we got a patch card. Oh, this is nice. Peter Forsberg for Flyers, jersey and patch. A nice 3-color patch out of 36. Nice hit for Flyers. Tom Wilson for Washington, signature card, Autofax. And we're down to our last fact, our 2-box break. Jonas Hiller for Ducks out of 999. And that's our 2-box. Okay, a little cleanup here. We can do a quick recap of our hits. Protective pad. Ducks signature card for Washington. Beautiful jersey and patch for Flyers out of 36. Rookie for Coyotes. Rookie for Coyotes. Jersey card for Tampa Bay. Dual jersey card for Ducks. Rookie for Blackhawks. Jersey card for Kings. Triple jersey card for Sabres. Rookie for Blackhawks. Signature card for Wilds. Jersey card for Ducks. Rookie for Panthers. And a rookie for Coyotes. That concludes our break number 998, 2-box 1415 Artifact. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight. More appeal all the time. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers. You're a one-stop shop for box breaks.